Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a bank account on Amazon for refund in 2025. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Once you are there, head over to the Account and List tab on the navigation bar. Now click on Your Payment from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a page where you can manage your payment option. Next, click on the Add a Payment Method button. If you want to add a bank account and select then select a credit or debit card. You will need to enter your bank details and card details, including the card number, name, expiration date, and CVV. Once you are filled that out, just click Add a card, and your bank account will be saved for future refund. That's it. Super simple, right? Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.